Hey folks, as the name suggests for this class, more print. In this program, we will be exploring more options with the print command. So far, we understand that we can do print and we put a hello in there. It will output hello. That's a string. I'll save that and I'll run my code. And what I see here is I'll just kill some consoles before I can see. And I'll go back there. So what you see is it prints hello. Now the question is, can I include more than one values in my print? Meaning, can I print a hello and a number 5 in there? And how would we do that? Will this command work? And as you see, it says it's an invalid syntax. You just cannot include another number in there. What if I glue them together with the plus there? Glue is a concatenation operator, but it concatenates two strings. Now it's going to require me to convert that to a string. I do that. I run this thing. And it's saying it's okay. Now I can put hello and 5 together. Is there a way that I can print these two things without doing all these things? What if I do something like this? Hello, comma 5. How does Python interpret this? Python interprets this as multiple values for the print statement. Hello is one value, 5 is another. So it outputs 5 as 5 separated by a comma. So that's something that you can do in Python and not in other languages per se. So let's say I have x is equal to 6. Now can I print all three things? Can I print hello and the x and the value 5? So when I run this thing, these are three different values, and Python can do that. Good. And finally, well, there are a few more things actually. Now print. What if I say print hello and I say, hey, times that 4 times? Print that hello out 4 times. So when I run this guy, it prints hello 4 times. That's what times with a string does. And understand that hello is a string. Some more things with print. So I do print hello and I do print world. So when I do that and I run this code, well, I wanted hello world on the same line. This is on 2 lines. That doesn't cut it. So what can I do is I can do here is print hello. So I'm trying to find a way to restrict print on the same line. And how do you do that is you end print with a certain thing. You say, hey, you know what? You end it with just nothing, but right there you end, do not go to the next line. That's what end means in print. So print, now if I do a world, and I don't need to close my world, so I'm gonna run this code, and you will notice that the hello world is on the same line now. If I wanted a space, I'll just take a space in between them. So that's your end. That's how you print something on the same line. And now what I want to do is I want to print hello. I also want to print world. I also want to print 55, and I want them to be separated by a dash. So how would I do that is I'll say separator, I'll define a separator. So now If I don't define a separator, as we've seen before, if I run this code just as it is, it will give me all those values separated by space, right? You see, it's a hello. I was in, so that's why I can Command X. Yeah, I was wondering why did it throw world after, but that was from the previous command. So when I run, as you see, it gives me hello space. It is separated by space. Now, what if I do print hello world 55, hello world 55 separated by, separated by, let's say, a pipe, right? So let's see, what does this code do? I'm doing hello world 55, I'm separating it by pipes. You see that there are pipes between these two, and if I need a space, let's say before and after the pipe, so I can do that. So three things in this video about print. You see how I can print multiple values with the print. It could be variables also. Print hello times 4 will print that string that many times. I can use an end command to force what comes at the end of the string. If there's nothing in there with the end, your print will stay on the same line. Your cursor will not go to the next line, and then I can define a separator between each output. So that's it with the more print. We'll continue with the next video after that. Thank you.